there's a cop here. So, I've been wanting to do this for a really long time. So the legendary Daikoku show, arguably the most famous car meet in the world. It's here in Japan, obviously, and I am bringing my own personal car. I've never been. Definitely the most famous, like, tuner meet in the world. So we are like 10 minutes away. I also, high-key, don't have AC in here, so if I look like I'm sweating a lot, I am. It's hot as shit. Tonight's Friday night. I honestly don't know what we're in for. I'm hoping we see some really cool cars. Yeah, let's roll up in there. So much better. I know there's like wind noise now, but oh my god. If you're new to this channel, I am living in Saitama right now, which is north of Tokyo. Would definitely like to try to live closer to Tokyo or in Tokyo, but yeah, this is like about an hour and a half drive to get down here. Oh my god, that Mercedes up there is just sending it. What is the deal? Okay, so apparently there's a very like specific exit or like route you can take. There's only one way to get in there, and if you mess it up, you take the wrong turn, it'll cost you like 20 minutes and like 20 bucks or something because you have to go through a toll road. So, oh, that BMW behind us almost messed it up. Oh my gosh, I hear them. I hear revving. I see a ton of cars. Oh, we have arrived. Holy shit. Oh gosh. Gotta lift her up real quick. We're gonna search for a parking spot. Are you going in or are you leaving, sir? I have no idea what I'm doing here. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, I don't know what the organization. I probably should have asked some questions. There's all types of cars. There's like lowrider style cars. Okay, I don't like that I hear cops. No, there's a cop here. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I just want to park. This car is like on the low. I'm not really supposed to be doing this. Yo, I need advice. Should I closing it? I know, am I gonna get in trouble? Should I park or should I leave?
No, don't park.
Don't park?
Yeah. I mean, you can somewhere get a photo or something, but you should leave soon.
Okay.
But if you stay here, they might ask questions.
What's your advice?
Go, unfortunately.
I guess we're gonna roll out of here because I'm not trying to get in trouble. We'll rendezvous outside of this. All right. Like, literally, what are the chances? This means we have to come back. It's actually just kind of funny, I'm gonna be honest. And now there's like a massive traffic jam too. There's some really freaking cool cars though. Hopefully the GoPros are like catching stuff, like right next to us. Gotta get that thumbnail. God, I want a two-step so badly. I'm not trying to get arrested. Well, that's that. I'm gonna meet up with Nikki and Andy. but that is freaking funny. What are the chances? I don't even know where to go. I'm scared. Let's go right. They're going right. And I don't know where I'm going. Nope, not that one. Wait, maybe that was it. Damn it! I picked the wrong one. Hikey though, this is like the absolute dream, just to be driving around here. Even like this tunnel is so sick. Ow. I have no idea where we are. And my Google Maps does not know where we are either. Where are you bringing us, Google Maps? This microscopic road. This is why you really want a K car. Prime example. Whoa, lady on a bicycle. Promised land. Hello?
Hey, I'm gonna go to the car. I got some footage for you.
I should have just parked. I'm like confused now.
Yeah, well, the cops are like rounding everyone up. It's like empty here now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they've been like guiding everyone to leave.
Well, tell him it's
So,
out of here.
oh, I just bumped into him.
Alright, well, we rendezvoused at the 7-Eleven. That was quite the adventure, huh, Andrew? What would you expect, though, with how things have been going? That's what's like... Nothing less. Yeah, nothing less. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, check out this video, and we'll see you later. Peace.